Hi dear viewers, in this video I am going to discuss about multimeter, how the measuring instrument can be operated, how the instrument is used to measure electrical quantities. Please keep patience during watching. Multimeter is the essential instrument or measuring tools for technicians in electrical as well as electronic system. A multimeter, also known as AVO, avometer. A stands for ampere, V stands for voltage, O stands for ohm. Besides this, a multimeter can measure other electrical and electronics quantities also. There are two primary types of multimeter used in electrical and electronic system. One is digital and other is analog. Process of use of both are almost same. Digital display measured value in screen by numbers directly, and in analog, pointer or needle moves along and above a printed dial to display result. In market, various types of multimeters are available with attractive color and gesture, but their operating procedure are almost same. This is an image of a digital multimeter having auto and manual mode. This is screen. Measured value are depicted here. This is a circular area divided in two distinct halves. The electrical quantities to be measured are printed here. These are push buttons. Pressing FUNC push button, measurement of items printed in the lower half of the circular area are done. These are ports. The first one is common. These are leads. One end of the black lead will remain in the common port, is considered as negative. The red lead will be kept at second, third and fourth port according to criteria. This is turning or tuning knob. The knob can be turned toward left or right direction. To get measured value of printed item, knob is required to place at suitable point before measurement is done. Let's keep the knob at first step toward left. You can measure AC voltage. This is an AC switchboard. Now insert the leads into the socket. Press the switch on. Measure the AC voltage. Press the function push button of the multimeter and get frequency of the AC voltage. Reset the knob, second step toward left side. Get AC and DC voltage. During measurement of AC voltage, if knob erroneously is kept at DC measuring step at multimeter or opposite, does no harm, only voltage range might be within limit. Reset knob at first step toward right side. Get resistance. Now turn the knob at second step toward right side. Check diodes. Check continuity. Measure capacitance. To check circuit current up to 400 milliampere, either DC or AC, keep the knob at fourth step and red lead at the third port. Similarly, keep the knob at fifth step toward right. Get current measurement up to 10 ampere and keep red lead at the port 4. Keep the knob at the first step right. Hand side lead keep open. At screen, open circuit or overload symbol will be depicted. Now sort the hand side lead with each other. 0 ohm will appear at the screen. Measure the resistance of the 220 kilo ohm resistor. Place the knob at second step right. Check diode. Press the finger at function push bottom. Test the continuity by touching hand side lead with each other and hear a continuous beep sound. Check the continuity of the conductor cable, see resistance in screen and hear continuous beep sound. If no beep sound heard, no resistance displayed, then the test conductor is discontinuous. Check diode. Make contact the red lead with cathode of the diode and black lead with anode. No current will flow. Overload voltage will appear at the screen. Color-coded side of the diode is cathode, that is negative. A diode is a semiconductor that acts as a one-way switch for current and allow current to flow in the one direction but oppose in reverse direction. Again, make touch red lead with anode and black lead with cathode. Current will flow and voltage drop will occur and voltage will appear at the screen. Then we can say the diode is okay. Keep the knob at third step right. Now check capacitance. This is an image of a capacitor unit of a capacitor bank. Touch the hand side terminal of the leads with bushing terminal of the capacitor. Get capacitance. This is an image of a DC circuit having an ammeter and load. Open the connector at the terminal block. Keep the red lead at the multimeter side at third port. Touch the hand side lead. Get current at this position in milliampere. Similarly, get measurement of current of AC circuit within 400 milliampere. For measuring current within 10 ampere, set red lead at multimeter terminal at fourth port and measure AC or DC current in the similar ways. Thank you for watching and staying with me.